As a capital construction leader at a city, county, or public agency, you know that the projects your team works on will impact your community's quality of life for years to come. But small and mid-sized public agencies face unique challenges in planning and managing their capital programs, like a diverse range of construction projects, public accountability requirements, a lack of modern tools, and most importantly, limited resources. Introducing Aurigo Essentials, an all-in-one construction project management solution that has been purpose-built for small and mid-sized public agencies. Aurigo Essentials helps cities, counties, and public agencies ensure every construction project is delivered on time and on budget with modern cloud software that is affordable, easy to deploy, and easy to use. Aurigo Essentials includes everything you need to plan, manage, and report on each project so that everyone on your team is working from one version of the truth. Full lifecycle construction project management, including project scheduling, resource management, contract management, and approval workflows for both vertical and horizontal construction projects. Portfolio planning and fund management, so you can group projects for budgeting purposes and distribute and track funding across your entire program. Mobile functionality, workflow automation, and built-in document management make it easy to collect and monitor data electronically, streamline workflows, and comply with open records requirements. And online reports and dashboards give team members and leadership real-time visibility into every portfolio, project, and contract. Additionally, increase your community engagement and public transparency with a public portal to share project status and progress. Using Aurigo Essentials will help your organization operate more efficiently, reduce project risk, and ensure your program's success. You will increase productivity by 30 to 70%, eliminate paper forms, increase transparency for all stakeholders, improve your team's collaboration and onboarding experience, prevent cost overruns, and most importantly, deliver projects on time and on budget. Best of all, Aurigo Essentials is easy to buy and easy to set up, so you can get up and running in minutes, not days, and free yourself to focus on what truly matters, delivering your projects. Join the many public agencies Aurigo is helping deliver resilient and sustainable projects for their communities, including state DOTs, public works departments, water and wastewater authorities, and transit agencies. Confidently ensure that capital projects are delivered cost-effectively, faster, more predictably, and with greater transparency. Contact us today for more information on Aurigo Essentials.